Welcome to Tech Anchor. Today we're diving into one of the biggest opportunities in the tech world, the TON Hackathon, where $3 million in prizes are up for grabs. Learn how you can participate and become part of the future of DeFi and mini-apps. TON, the open network, is rapidly growing in the blockchain space, and they're calling on hackers, developers, and innovators to join their Hackers League hackathon. With a prize pool of $3 million, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. TON is much more than just another blockchain. Their ecosystem includes mini-apps, decentralized finance protocols, and more. Whether you're into smart contracts, decentralized apps, or security protocols, TON has a space for your creativity. Joining the hackathon is easy. Visit the TON Hackathon website, register, and start your project. Teams from all over the world will be participating, so you can showcase your skills on a global stage. Build decentralized apps, create smart contracts, or develop mini-apps that can change blockchain interactions. TON's versatile platform allows developers to push the boundaries of what's possible. The prize pool for this hackathon is a staggering $3 million. Prizes will be awarded across several categories, including innovation, technical execution, and overall creativity. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a newcomer, there's something for everyone. This is more than just a competition. It's a chance to network, build, and contribute to the future of blockchain technology. Whether you win or not, you'll walk away with valuable skills and the experience of participating in one of the most exciting tech events of the year. TON is rapidly gaining traction, with more developers, companies, and users joining their ecosystem every day. Participating in this hackathon means becoming a part of that growth. Your contributions could directly impact the future of decentralized technology. Getting started is simple. Head over to the TON Hackathon website, check out the submission guidelines, and start building your project. Don't miss this opportunity to make your mark in the blockchain world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Anchor for more updates on AI, technology, and digital currencies. Stay tuned for more.